this juncture, may we call on Clayton M. Joseph M. Tagoy to express his words of gratitude.
Good morning, my fellow graduates. Good morning, parents. Good morning, teachers. I am Clayton Joseph M. Tagoy. Welcome to the graduation ceremony. First, I want to thank God for guiding our way in every step of our life. Second, I want to thank my family, my dear parents for supporting me throughout this journey. Third, I want to thank my classmates who are not just my friends, but my brothers and sisters here in our school and make me feel at home. Lastly, I want to express my deepest gratitude to Kuya Mario, to Madam Maria Pia Notary School, to the faculty member, to Kuya Mario, and most especially to Teacher Dean, who acts like a second mother here and makes learning fun and exciting. You are our hero! I am grateful for all these people who are with us throughout this learning journey. It is an honor to stand here before you all today as we celebrate this momentous milestone of a lifetime, our graduation. We are not done yet. It is just the beginning. Let us keep on reaching for the stars. Congratulations, graduates!